Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the particular topic. This is ascent of sap. What is sap? Sap mainly composed of water and minerals. So particular water and minerals that has to be moved from lower direction to upward direction after the absorption and transportation of the water and minerals. This is the process of ascent of sap. So here by the figure we can understand easily. First of all, the water and minerals get absorbed by the particular kinds of root by different kinds of modes of absorption like diffusion, osmosis, active and passive transport. And after the absorption, the particular kinds of water and minerals that has to be transported towards the still region. And in the still region, particular conducting tissue will be present like a xylem and phloem, particularly xylem, that can transport the particular water and minerals towards the upward direction in the plants and their different parts. So this is the particular process of the transportation and ascent of sap in case of particular plants one also. So next one is there are different kinds of forces or factors mainly influence or mainly utilized in case of particular ascent of sap. First force, this is the capillary force. Okay, first of all we have to know about what is capillary. Capillary, this is a kinds of tube which is having very less diameter. So this capillary, when we have to dip in the particular water content, then water will move towards the upward direction due to the certain kinds of force like a cohesive and adhesive force. What is about cohesive force? Cohesive force mainly occurs between the water molecules only, and adhesive force mainly occurs between the molecules of capillary tube and water molecules also. So by the effect of these two kinds of force, cohesive and adhesive force, the particular water is being raised up to certain point in the particular capillary one also. Next one is root pressure. Okay, and all of you know that what is about root pressure. That is a kinds of pressure mainly generated inside the particular root hair cells, and after this kinds of pressure, the particular cells will be turgid condition, and due to the turgidity in particular cells, the water molecules that can move towards the another cells due to the cytoplasmic streaming. So by this process, by this pressure, the particular water content that can be moved from one cell to another cells towards the upward direction in the different parts of plants one also. And last factor or last force, this is the transpiration pull theory. And according to this theory, the main process that has been taken place, this is the transpiration process. Okay, and all of you know that what is about transpiration. Transpiration is the process in which the water loss is being occurs from the aerial part of the plant in the form of water vapor one. So here by the figure we can understand easily. So this is the kinds of plant twig, and this is the central portion, that is the xylem one, and this is having much more amount of particular water and minerals also. And by the process of transpiration, the particular water that can be eliminated from this parts one, and due to the elimination of these parts, the particular kinds of water and minerals that can be moves upward direction, and there this place the some kinds of lacking of water and minerals occurs here, and due to the lacking of water and minerals, the particularly this water and minerals that has been takes place of the previous one also, and after that pull the water inside the twig also, and after that this one is maintain itself up to proper water concentration and mineral one also. So particularly due to the transpiration process, the water can be pulled up in the particular plant twig, and by the pulling the water and minerals, the particular space will be created here, and this space again filled by the previous water and mineral content one also. So by this way the water is being transported towards the upward direction in the plant from the lower direction. So these are the different kinds of forces and factors mainly utilized in the transportation and ascent of sap in case of particular plant. This is the transpiration pull theory, this is the root pressure, and next one is the capillary force. So we have completed or discussed here all the aspects regarding the ascent of sap in particular plants one also. So thank you.